Google Chrome is arguably one of the best browsers in the world. Besides being extremely fast, smooth, and other device sync options, it also provides excellent security. Among its other benefits, one great advantage of using Google Chrome is the option to add new extensions, through which we can customize the browser according to our needs and enhance our experience. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a gamer, or just a random web surfer, there are Chrome extensions available for you so you can get the best of Chrome. So without further ado, welcome to Lex Tech, and let's explore the 10 best Chrome extensions to use in 2023. Let's get started. Number 1. Ghostery. Google Chrome security is by far the best among other browsers available on the internet. However, if you're a web surfer who loves to dive deep into the ocean of the internet to find your answers without caring about which site you're visiting, then you're always vulnerable for having a security breach in your system. There are tons of nasty websites out there hidden under decent themes to track you and do some sketchy things with your data. The best way to avoid getting a security breach is by installing Ghostery. The specialty of Ghostery is that it has an automatic tracker blocker. It works flawlessly in the background, and it's capable of blocking all sorts of trackers placed in any type of blog, and at the same time, shows you all the blocked trackers on the dashboard. With the help of the data it collects, you can choose which trackers you're okay with it tracking you, and keep those trackers blocked that try to access your IP, location, or history. It's an extension that can make your web browsing experience fearless, or at least you'll be aware of which websites are tracking you. 2. Avast Antivirus. There are tons of malicious websites available on the internet that may look decent but can have hidden trackers, or even worse, hostile viruses to enter your system. Many websites can even inject the virus into your system without your knowledge when you just download a simple file or even click on something. And from corrupting your important files to stealing your personal data to even completely taking over your system, these viruses are capable of doing anything. The best way to secure your PC or laptop from getting tracked and viruses are by downloading the Avast Antivirus extension. Besides being capable of blocking all viruses from the internet, it also has a built-in tracking blocker. We all use online banking, and imagine giving access to our sensitive information unknowingly to a website that tracks your data. For those who don't know, trackers are basically scripts that can collect your data, including your browsing history, IP, and even banking information. With the help of the Avast Antivirus extension, you can confidently browse the internet. 3. Adblock Plus. It's 2023, and we still have to bear unwanted ads. At this point, it is no secret how these big tech companies use our data, with or without permission, to show us personalized ads. Whether it's ethical or not to use our data to show ads is a different debate, but let's be honest, 60 to 70% of these ads are useless to us. Just because I searched about a hosting website doesn't mean I want to see numerous hosting ads from different companies all the time, and sometimes we just want to enjoy our web surfing without getting bothered by ads. Download the ad blocker and you're good. Among its other obvious benefits, like it'll block all sorts of ads, one cool thing about AdBlock Plus is that it doesn't let websites like Facebook, YouTube, or any other tracking websites that show you ads based on your searches. It also comes with an extensive acceptable ads policy, and by enabling it, you opt to see some ads on websites that make money through display ads so that they can survive. 4. Feedly. If you're into reading and love browsing different blogs to do extensive research on your favorite topics, or you're affiliated with a certain field, let's say football-related news, then Feedly is the best extension for you. It's been around Google Chrome since 2011, and ever since it was launched in France, it's been loved by millions of readers from around the world. Feedly basically collects all the articles from dozens of websites on your favorite selected niche and provides you with all of those in one place. Isn't that awesome and so time-saving? It's available on the App Store as well, so you can start reading one article on your desktop computer, save it, and then resume reading it on your phone or tablet thanks to its syncing feature. It even offers a dark night mode for all night owl readers. 5. Strict workflow. Do you also lack focus and concentration while working and often unintentionally drift away on a social media platform? You're not alone! Websites like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram are specifically designed to capture our attention, and their algorithms are designed in a way that we often get lost in their never-ending feeds. You can tackle this irritating and time-wasting habit by installing Strict Workflow extension. Strict Workflow basically blocks the websites like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or any other platform that distracts you while working. It's a highly customizable platform that blocks any website for a fixed time, so you can perform your tasks without any distractions. Although it first came out only for OS, soon after seeing its success, it was launched for Windows 2. It doesn't slow your computer and silently works in the background once you set it up as per your needs. A quick reminder, before we further continue our discussion on the best Chrome extensions, if you enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. 6. LastPass. Long gone are the days when you had to create a strong password, then memorize it or note it somewhere. It's 2023, and there's a simple solution for everything. Presenting LastPass, an awesome extension that allows you to save all your passwords in one place without having to memorize them. It's basically a vault of passwords that saves all your Google Chrome passwords, and no matter how complicated they are, and all you have to do is secure your vault with one super strong password. Once installed in Chrome, you can generate random strong passwords for all online accounts with the help of LastPass. It'll save them and apply them where you command. Neat, isn't it? 7. Google Dictionary. It's not uncommon that we often come across a certain word on the internet while reading a blog, of which we have no idea what that means. It's not that you're less intellectual in any way, it's just that English is a very widely used language around the globe, and every country has its own sort of vocabulary. Copying the word, opening a new tab, and pasting and finding its meaning is the old way. Thanks to Google Dictionary, all you have to do now is double-click on the word and the entire definition of the word will pop up, along with the meaning, after you install the Google Dictionary, of course. It's a great tool for students and readers who love exploring different languages. At the moment, this extension supports 10 languages, including Chinese, French, Spanish, German, and of course English. Install it today and unlock the hidden wisdom in foreign languages. Number 8. Honey. Imagine doing online shopping on a tight budget, and all of a sudden, you have a discount for a few dollars. We all know what a few dollars are worth when we need them the most. Well, if you want to save some bucks every now and then while shopping online, try Honey. It is an amazing extension. Once installed, automatically finds and applies digital coupons and promo codes to save you some bucks. All you have to do is to install the Honey extension in Google Chrome, create an account, and that's it. Honey will do the rest for you. It works with 30,000 plus websites and works completely on its own in the background, just silently working to find a coupon to save you some money without any fees. Pretty cool, isn't it? Number 9. Better History. We've all been there where we found a website that has amazing online games, work-related tools, or some free pirated content that we thoroughly enjoy, but somehow forget the name of the website, and then we spend countless hours searching through the history to find it again. We all know it's a hassle and almost impossible if the search history has been cleared recently. However, thanks to Better History, we can now always revisit our favorite websites. It's an extension that allows us to find our lost websites in a more advanced way. It utilizes Chrome's already existing technology, though by enhancing it, it makes it very easy and fast to relocate the forgotten blogs. 10. Todoist. Last but certainly not the least, if you're looking to increase your productivity level or you're frustrated because you keep forgetting your online work-related tasks, the extension Todoist can be a lifesaver for you. It allows you to create simple yet extensive to-do lists, both long-term and short-term, and helps as a reminder to finish your incompleted tasks. It comes with a syncing option, which means you can also access the list through your phone. It's a simple job, yet it can significantly impact your daily productivity and work efficiency. So, there you have it, the 10 best Chrome extensions for 2023. Let us know in the comment section which extensions you already have, and which are going to be part of your Chrome arsenal from now on. If you found the video interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more interesting content. Thanks for watching!